into my heart. All this time she was acting, playing games. There's a picture near the pain, picture standing for my brain. There's no place for you inside, cause I put you outside of the thing.
All this time you had to know, you slowly fucked me up. All I could ever find is say, well shit, I fucked it up. You were a special kind of bitch, the kind I never should've wished for. Special kind of stitches left on my body, my spirit sore. Thank you for the ride, you could only make me stronger. No more bitches on my mind, I kept going a little longer. On the bright side, I was never left to wander. On the darker side of things, there's a demon I need to conjure.
Now it's time to change it all. Broken down, retaining walls. Cannot fight them anymore. Silent ones I've slain before. Keep things ever stay the same. I love that bitch, but I'm to blame. She fired shots into my heart. All this time she was acting, playing games. There's a picture near the pain, picture standing for my brain. There's no place for you inside, cause I put you outside of the thing.
I got an army made of ghosts of the past. I'm their major, they have to subsist on my memories. Consider me the savior. Failure, danger, unexpected behavior. I'm not used to failing, guess it never was my nature. Till I met you, I was dead. I felt as cold as ice until I break you, I'll be damned. I feel a fire deep inside you, had me change until I became a stranger to myself. Thought it was strange, you hold what remains left on my broken self.
And in the end I'm finally free. I wonder which of you will come to me. I know why I felt so unique, but I won't tell because you took it all away from me. Things ever stay the same. I love that bitch, but I'm to blame. She fired shots into my heart. All this time she was acting playing. There's a picture near the pain, picture standing for my brain. There's no place for you inside, cause I put you outside of the thing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.